get some good lighting for y'all real quick. Hi y'all, it's been a minute. I look a mess. If you're new to the channel, hey, my name is Shantee. If you're not new, welcome back. Your girl is back. I've been gone. So let me start off by saying today is May 4th, if I'm not mistaken. Today is May 4th, and by the time y'all seeing this video, it's gonna be like May 17th. Real tea, because I got 2 vlogs that are dropping, that dropped yesterday, and one is gonna drop next week before you guys see this. But after that, we'll be in extra roll time, maybe. Might be a little delayed, you never know, you never know. But I've been gone, so I'm not gonna tell y'all where I've been at or what's been going on. Y'all gotta wait till Makeup Monday and Wine Wednesday. I'm gonna tell some stuff on Makeup Monday when I'm doing my makeup, and I'm gonna spill the tea, the rest of the tea, on Wednesday when I'm doing Wine Wednesday. So stay tuned to get a life update of what's been going on, what's happening, where I've been at, and all that stuff. But today is Saturday. Happy Saturday. I already set the date. It's raining outside and it's kind of gloomy, but today we have a spa day. So today my sister-in-law is having like her cousins on her husband's side is like throwing her a spa party, and she doesn't know we're coming, so we popping out. So that's what today is going to consist of. I'm going to take my vlog camera to get footage, and I'm gonna take my what's it called it, I got like this new, my best friend got me this like tripod that moves, so I'm gonna have my phone to get footage if I, you know, if too much going on and I don't have my camera in my hand. So, but I don't know, we're gonna see, we're gonna see what the vibes is. I'm gonna take my camera though. I'm about to throw on this wig. I really didn't want to put on a wig. I was go for my natural, but I don't have enough time to really take out these braids that's in my head, comb and detangle my hair, and put it in a slick bun. That's just gonna take too much time because I got a lot of hair, so it's just gonna be easier just throwing on a wig. I already showered and all that good stuff. I got my outfit picked out. I got 2 bathing suit options. So I honestly don't know which one I'm going to use, but I have them picked out. So really, after I do my hair, I'm going to get dressed, because it started at 3. It's currently 1:50, and y'all know I move slow. That's why I had to I started getting ready earlier after we got back from the gym. I started getting ready because I just knew I'll be moving slow, and then I have to fold laundry and stuff like that. And it's crazy because I'm not even doing no makeup, because like I said, the weather, and it's like a spa day, so it'll be pointless for me to do makeup when I'm finna be like in a jacuzzi and all that stuff. But hey y'all, I missed y'all so much. Like, y'all don't even understand how much I miss talking to the camera. Like, I really miss talking to the camera, showing y'all and taking y'all around with me. I really miss that. So we back, and I'm not even gonna say too much about me being back, because I gotta let my actions speak from my words louder than my words. So But I know I've been gone and missing. But I thank y'all for sticking beside your girl. You know, holding it down, waiting for me to get it together. And I can't even see. And I'm not putting no contacts in. Ain't no point in taking those sunglasses. It's rainy and gloomy. So I'm actually about to play some music. So I'm gonna leave y'all recorded though, so y'all can just watch me slap this wig on my head. I'm just not gonna be saying nothing, and we're gonna fast forward this. So let's get into it. Here we go. Get into it. I hope Instagram don't be on no crazy stuff.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey, the journey that us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings all from the right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the big road one time. Sit down in a class and we both let only see the road and we go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Jump up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, all dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say, I just saw ya, saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your ball in a live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the journey to just be the plus. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings for all of my right hand. But I toast to the friends where they come to me road one time. Sit down in a class and we pour them only sit the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings are for me. And send me to tell them the story. That's what blessings are for me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job. Breathe from me the light. You know some my passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. Coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus.
Just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so blame bear more. You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me. That be a passion. Bad man no they walk up. Man no be God up. Make them they talk up. That's what they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer.
Oh, it got dark.
I'm gonna say
Thank you.
I don't know why it looks so dark, but we're leaving the winery. It's almost 5 o'clock. We had a time. I wish we were going for margaritas, but I have homework and finals this next week, so I have to finish all my homework tonight by 11:59. So no extra partying and like being like super duper lit for me. I'm lit right now, but you know, like with the margaritas and the tequila and all that stuff, we're being good scholars right now, right babe? Babe got me being an extra good scholar to make sure I pass my class and do right. She's getting me home. No extra party and margaritas. But I appreciate her for keeping me motivated and disciplined. Make good grades in school, guys. And then after, you can turn up and party. Happy Cinco De Mayo. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Say good morning, Riley. Say good morning. She needs a bath right now. Her face is a little dirty, so don't mind that. Happy Monday, everybody. It is May 6th, and y'all seen us yesterday for Cinco de Mayo. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of sad that I didn't, like, we had fun. We went to a winery and I got lit, but I wasn't lit like tequila lit. We got home around 5:30. Yeah, because when we got home around 5:36 and did homework, and I had a lot of homework that was due last night, and I got it all done, so I was really proud of myself, and I was so thankful that my girlfriend was like, we're not staying out late and partying, you're gonna go home and do homework, just to make sure I stayed on track and held me accountable. But I was really sad that I didn't get to turn up for Cinco de Mayo. I wanted to be passed out on tequila. But, you know, it is what it is. It's currently 7:33. And I'm about to clean up the room. And y'all finna watch me. It's not super dirty or nothing, but I got 2 piles of laundry that I need to fold. And I need to make the bed. And I gotta hang up clothes. So, I'm about to prop y'all up so y'all can see how I do it. But first, I'm trying to find a remote, because I like to watch I like to either watch cleaning videos or watch something on a TV, some type of vlog on a TV. Riley, where's the remote? She looking for it, y'all. Okay, y'all, I don't want to get started unless I have the remote, because that gives me the motivation I need. Riley, you was on the remote. Okay, y'all, I found it. So time to get started. I think I'm gonna prep y'all up right here. this because y'all got a clear view of everything that's going on. Let me give y'all a little overview of what I gotta do. So it's pillows and stuff over there. I gotta fold them clothes. I gotta clean my little area. And the Riley! Oh my gosh. Have some manners. Gosh. Right, move. Move. Go over there. Exactly. Lay down. You just moving to move. Go over there. Y'all, her bed is in the washer and dryer. That's why she even really in our bed. Because she would be in her bed. Riley. Yeah. Thank you. Get down. So let's get to cleaning.
When you dey move, see green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you dey look. When I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to one you console. Anything you wish me.
Girls want me, but not you. I want, oh no, I want no. She be not this kind thing with tomato, moo. Oh no, no. Now they look at the things you do and make me no, 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 no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh baby, come. Oh girl, I want make me day. I feel like making you. Oh no, no. I feel like making you. Oh baby, I know, no, no.
Nothing to discuss, cause I'm different by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out. I'm a mind that's with the talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful. That the baba fry yo, my ayo, don't cry yo. I need go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My ayo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face.
is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's what I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we can never look together. Come make us happy. Hold you for a night. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you're there by my side. Hold you for a night. So tight, coming closer.
You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
This one I bet you me, I no get time, Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, we do
I hate that every time I turn on the camera, it be looking so dark. But when I go to edit it, this pillow, it don't be looking as dark. Good morning again. Y'all see me cleaning up. It's 10 o'clock. I think when I start cleaning up, it was like 8 o'clock. Maybe. Or maybe even 9. No, it was 8 o'clock because J-Lo was getting ready. So I cleaned up, brushed my teeth and all that stuff. And here it is, 10 o'clock. I have my to-do list ready. Let's see how many items I have to do. How many things? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. I have 9 things on my to-do list. I'm doing the first thing now, which every Monday, y'all know, I get my coffee, and my mom's coffee is like our Monday thing that we do together. We get coffee, but I got so much to tell y'all. Y'all will hear, I think I mentioned it, y'all will hear some of it on Makeup Monday and y'all will hear the rest of it on Wine Wednesday. But there's a lot of changes that is about to happen. So yeah, start the day off getting some coffee and a breakfast sandwich. I'm not eating the bread because I'm on a like no carbs diet. Like well, I'm not gonna say no carbs, but little to no carbs, because like everything I'm replacing my breads and stuff like that. Yeah, y'all hear more about it later. So after I get Starbucks, I'm gonna drop it off to my mom. Then I'm gonna head to the grocery store and get a little bit of stuff and then bring it home. I gotta make Babe's lunch. I don't want to be at the grocery store long because I gotta drop off her lunch before time. Or I might get her, well, I said I was gonna make her chicken salad, so I gotta make her lunch. Make her lunch real quick, drop it off, then take my mom to her eye appointment, and then I gotta drop off our comforter to the laundromat, do homework, cook dinner, go on a walk. I might try to squeeze in the gym, but you know my schedule's already jam-packed, so the walk may be the only thing I do today. And then also I gotta film, so yeah.
Hi, gorgeous.
Hi, how are you?
I like your car.
Oh, thank you. I need to wash it.
Oh yeah. So I don't have to wash my car.
Okay. How much is my total?
$27.55.
Okay, I'm gonna load my card. Can I get a sriracha sauce, please? A sriracha sauce?
Oh yeah, I got that. Does any reward?
Yeah, because it's only like $2.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I got so much rewards points. I got like over 1,000. So even though I just used
Alright, what's that for you?
thank you.
And then the 2 sriracha sauce.
Thank you. With me using some of my points, it don't really do no effect to me. Thank you. This is my mom's. My allergies are whole boat. I'm waiting on my stuff, my coffee. Y'all, I'm not trying to be at the grocery store long at all, like at all. Cause I want to get back home latest 11:30, so I could drop her lunch off for 12. And then I have to take my mom to her eye appointment. Her eye appointment is at 12:50, so I want to be in the car heading to my mom's appointment by like 12:40, cause it's up the street. But my allergies is doing me so dirty right now. And they take it forever with my drink, so I'm gonna start rambling. So I'll see y'all when I make it to the crib. So I made it to Safeway. It's so cold outside. I'm so sad. So I have a little like, well, I had a little trash can thingy in my car where, you know, the kids could put trash or the people could put trash. But somebody put something in there and it spilled everywhere. So I just had to throw it away, which was kind of disappointing. But we're at Safeway. So, ooh, what's this?
What's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. The captain, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. The captain, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, I they try to do I'm way. Plenty survive with face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment, I want enjoy.
So this is everything unpacked. So we got some bread, we got some TV dinners for the kids. This is for babe. Some cereal, some juices. Got pizza rolls, hot pockets. Got some air fried vegetables, some fruit for smoothies, some ground beef. This is all plant-based. Chicken patties, chicken nuggets. We got this pizza supreme skillet. I'm making this for dinner for my mom and the kids. We got milk, juice, some fruit, salad stuff. We got some broccoli and stuff back there. Some chicken nugget, some chicken strips and fries for the kids. Burritos, garlic bread, that's for their dinner. Some lettuce. I'm making burgers for me and babe. Y'all know she's vegan, I'm pescatarian, and everybody in the house is not. So we're having lettuce wrap burgers. I showed you guys this early on in the vlog. Pistachios, some different type of chips. So that's it for the grocery haul.
You know, I heard about that.
Oh, y'all seen my baby's chocolate milk. So I'm about to put everything away. There's a couple of stuff I didn't get, but I got majority of everything that was needed to be restocked. So I'm about to put everything away and organize and straighten the fridge. So it's all done and ready for me to cook dinner. So
that's dangerous though.
I'm gonna come back when I'm done putting everything away because I need to. Well, you know, my battery. I have some battery. But we're.
But it's dangerous for the people that try to help them people, you know.
I'm trying to think where. Okay, babe. I don't know where I'm gonna put my tripod because right where I would put y'all. I mean, I can put you guys right here.
Good way. I was just turning the good way. I don't think about that.
Okay.
Want just life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know people. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look, I tell you the streets, you are not my mate. If you become a son, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depending. The girl them, ride the whip. I know it, die for nothing. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depending. The girl them, ride the whip. I know it, die for nothing.
You no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like Pope. Steady playing like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. What they check if my that be no wrong. But it they rush well, well, it be much. Now go they make my time be the rush. The kind money we touch. Yeah, it they rush well, well, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close. So jolly with us. You fool me jackpata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from Papa. Which kind money we never see before. Osello me got me feeling I'm the one. I dey. You never take my cake away. I dey. You can't count my grace. I just dey my lane. Me no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady going like broccoli. Steady on my grind.
I'm back and it's kind of dark in here because I turned off the lights. It's probably not dark in here, but it looked dark in here because I just went outside and my shades are transitioning. But the kitchen is back to normal. These bags my little sister has to put away when she gets home. Y'all see me refill cereals. The fridge is regular. Water's got to be put in here. I left this space for if there's any leftovers. Excuse me, fruit, you know, meat and cheese, the girls' juices, because my little brother doesn't drink juice. Salads in here, and then me and Babe's like little personal fruit, you know, condiments and all that stuff. And then the freezer, I think y'all see me. This is like mostly our stuff because me and Babe is plant-based, so mostly our stuff. TV dinners, and then like pizza rolls, hot pockets, burritos, you know, fries, chicken nuggets, thing of that sort. And then the only thing that's left out is the stuff I'm cooking for my mom and the kids, and then the patties are defrosting for me and Babe. And then I did have to put some extra juices and hot pockets and stuff like that in the back freezer, because as you guys seen, that freezer is like super duper packed. So that was my grocery haul for today. There was a lot of stuff I didn't get because I kind of forgot. So I'm going to need to go back for like Nutella, peanut butter, popcorn, macaroni, noodles, and goldfish. So like really the snacks, I didn't get too much snacks because I was just worrying about getting like, I guess, the important stuff. The other stuff is just things that they have like when they get home from school and stuff like that. So I'll just go back to the store sometime during the week. But I'm about to take this stuff upstairs. Babe is on her way home. We're gonna go on our 2.5 mile walk. It's hot as hell though. Riley. Right? Hi, Riley. Hi. She was like, where have you been all day? She wants to play. Look at her. She's a cheater. Riley. Gotcha. Got it. Got it. So that's that. I'm tired though. So tired, you guys, and it's hot. But I got a lot of stuff done off my to-do list. So after this walk, come home, shower, cook dinner. Wow, it's early because right now it's like 3:50. So by the time we get back from our walk, it'll be like 4:45. Let's just say that, because it takes us like 45-50 minutes. So let's just say 5 o'clock. Let's just, you know, round it up to 5 o'clock. We'll be home by 5 o'clock. Then shower, then I'm gonna cook. So we're eating before 7 o'clock, because burgers, it don't take long to cook. And it's just for me and her. And then the pasta skillet thing, it don't take long to cook either. So that, and then do homework, and end the night. Let me see. So I think I told you I had 9 things on my to-do list. And 2 of them I already know are not getting done today, just because I didn't have time to go to the laundromat to drop off that sheet. So I'm gonna drop it off tomorrow. And then I didn't have time to film a video. I know I'm not gonna have time because after I got homework to do to focus on, and even though it's not too much and it's not like really hard, it is time consuming. So that's not getting done today. So that will be for tomorrow. And I'm probably going to film 2 videos tomorrow. Yep. But I got 4 things done so far. We're about to go on our walk, so that's the 5th thing. And then cook dinner, that's the 16th. And then 7th is the homework. So I got majority of my to-do list done, which I'm really proud of. Because I'm tired. But I'm about to put on my workout shoes, and then I'll see y'all after my shower before I start cooking dinner. So I'm back. It's 5:59, 6 o'clock. I'm about to cook dinner. So let's get it.
Got too many hoes. I can't hang you. You like to put that shit in your nose.